Yo, it's your boy Bino Valentino back again with another vlog. And right now, we're in Grand Prairie at the great, infamous car alarm, Swedish monstrosity. We're at IKEA. Home furniture, enjoy a taste of Sweden for $9.99. IKEA food is not good at all. That's where the Sweden's messed up in food, but they won in furnishing. We finna go in here, see what they got to offer. Let me see y'all in a second. I knew it. Shawty done seen a patio set that she liked. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. Oh my lord, chat. This goddamn, whatever the fuck this is. This feels so good.
Hello?
Yes, this feels amazing. You should come lay on it. Ugh. That shit soft as shit. Garden. Picadags.
Should we get some pots and pans or just wait?
Probably wait.
Huh?
Probably wait. Himmalag, Hesnut, Sensor. So many Swedish weird names, brother. So many. What the fuck is that? What is this shit? Bro, why the freak is IKEA so big, bro? Like, look at all this monstrosity. Look at all this consumerism. These are mattresses, y'all. Mattresses. We finna fall victim to one. There we are. Alright, so me and Lil Booty over here on the other side of the camera got a bet right now. She think this is not gonna fit in my car. I know it's gonna fit in my car.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
So, we finna prove her wrong. Y'all, let me know if y'all think this finna fit in the car. I'm gonna put it in the basket. I'm gonna prove my lady right.
You might need to get another one.
What?
Another cork.
Alright, so she said that she don't think this is gonna be able to fit in my car. Let's see. Bro, the fucking water is in the trunk. Come on, big boy. Sweaty booty ass. As y'all can see, she lost a bet. And, yup.
We won, baby!
We'll decide what she lost and gotta give up on the way home. Damn, bro. My girl been jugging like a bitch. First it was IKEA, then Walmart, then Costco, now TJ Maxx. I'm tired of this grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You You keep digging.
You gotta keep going.
Definitely. Probably not today. Probably not today. Appreciate you too, bro.
This is the brand I was looking for. Clemens.
So far we got this. We got another one. She grabbed the paper towel holder. This heart thing. And I grabbed some vanilla syrup, sugar-free of course, for when I make my matchas. $7. It's funny because I was looking for matcha and I found it. But I haven't even tried the one I have at home, so I don't think I'm gonna get this. It's $10 though. I almost got to. So I was thinking about putting pink Himalayan salt in my water. I heard it hydrates you better. $3, but I don't even know if I should do it for real. Look what I found. It was chocolate. I just noticed that. Gross. There go my boy. There go my boy. Bro. They got so much. They got so matcha. Where the fuck they put this over here? They just be sneaking shit under my little bitty nose. Well, I gotta come back out here to Arlington and do a review just like I did Bojangles that one time. I mean, not Bojangles, Portillo's, that's what it was called. But bro, y'all trying to be. Well, chat, it look like the baddies are still out here. Y'all still got a chance to come sign up with Zeus. Come sign a deal. Come show how much of a USA baddie you is. Come on, y'all, go on here. They waiting on y'all. Alright, so chat, I'm getting go work. This douchebag got the doors off his Jeep. Look at this douche. Let me show y'all this nigga. Look at this nigga here. Look at this black motherfucker. Yeah. But I just gotta work. I'm finna go home, put these packages inside, get my shoes, and I'm finna go work out at a new gym today. New Planet Fitness. Yeah. Since we moved and stuff, so I'm not going to the same one. Kinda nervous, guys.
You're such a bitch. What did you say? I have an itch.
But what was I about to say? Oh, I'm thinking about signing up for a new gym, like for real. I'm thinking about signing up at LA Fitness. It's like only $13 more expensive than what I'm paying now, and they got way more amenities. So I'm honestly thinking about just switching all together. But I'ma just wait. It ain't no rush. It's just something I want to do eventually for sure. I'm looking into it more, exploring my options, gyms around the area and whatnot. I just found out the other day doing my gym research, 24-hour fitness is not 24 hours.
Huh?
24-hour fitness is not 24 hours. What the fuck? This is insane, chat. I don't get it. What is happening? Let me check. Hold on. I had to make sure I was headed in the right direction, because this is my first time heading straight home after work. Because Friday I went to work, but I didn't go home from work. I went home from a bar because we had a group outing. But yeah, thinking about joining LA Fitness. It ain't no rush or nothing like that, but it's definitely been something I consider just getting a new gym. I've been seeing people talk about the Equinox gym, and I'm just like, be nice to go in there and go work at, you feel me? But that shit is $300 a month, which I'm not paying. And I was talking to my friend Shay about it, the one I brought the desserts for that I told y'all about, the child should I already know about. She's like, yeah, that's a car payment. I'm just like, damn, that is a car payment, bro. Like $300 a month is crazy, bro. But I would never do that. Not now. But yeah, I just want to just catch y'all up on what's been going on in the vlog. But yeah. Loading up his chopper, he gonna show him Black Lives Matter. Where I'm going? 35 Hill. 35 South the Wiggle. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the camera though. I just wanted to let y'all know I'm finna go to the gym real quick. I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Alright, so I'm just like, fuck it. I am about to wear my new workout shoes. If I can find them. So many damn shoes, bro. So many fucking shoes. No, it's not in here. Chat, where the fuck are these shoes? Alright, bet. It's good enough. Got him. Yeah, I don't know if y'all remember. I got some new shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and break them out today. Fuck it. It's gonna be the first time. New shoes, new gym. Let's go. Got the bunnies on. Let's see real quick. I will show y'all a fit check, but like a full fit, but I'm finna go work out, bro. I'm finna get this shit done. We ain't got no water, no energy drink. That's what we got. Well, y'all. We here. At the new do spot. I'm gonna start paying our dues at. Whew. Let's go, let's go. Well, we at the new gym. See y'all inside. Whew. Check. Dues is paid. That was one of the best workouts I done had. And I ain't worked out in almost like a week. But these shoes, overly comfortable. Can't recommend them enough. But I'm finna go home, take a shower, and relax. Man, I'm sweating hard as hell. W cardio, W workout, y'all go get in the gym. Chat, am I tripping? Or is this nigga truck bed like, is his truck like crooked? It look like he's driving sideways. Is that a second battle bus? Oh man, y'all done found the spot. Gang, they done got a second battle bus out here for all the ratchet bitches in Dallas. I know they eating this shit up. If y'all haven't noticed yet, this is the new way that I'm taking for work. And just seeing the baddie USA vans every day, it's just like, should I be appreciative of this? This one look old school, like an old school, like 50s van. Not this one, like a 50s van. This look newer. I'm gonna go ahead and use this time to cut the vlog. I'm finna get ready to go work out real quick at the new gym once again. I literally just left the house like a couple minutes ago. But yeah, I'm finna go work out real quick. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And make sure y'all stay tuned on my short form content on Instagram and TikTok too. Cause like I said, I'm starting, if y'all haven't seen that video already, I'm starting a series only on my short form where I pretty much am decorating our second bedroom into like my streaming and content room. So I ain't gonna speak too much on it on my long form. It'll be more so on my short form. So I just want to keep y'all informed on what's going on and whatnot. But yeah, until then, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next vlog. It is your boy Bino Valentino. I'm out. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Oh, peace. Riding in the Hellcat, going top